What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Super Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's begin today's lesson over on the left side of the page with the nose. We're going to draw an oval, start from the very top, going around and then back up. Let's add a small oval along the top of the nose for a highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Now we're going to go up to the top and draw the top edge of the muzzle. So up here we're going to go up and then down around the cheek and then pull that up. Let's round out the cheek. Coming around and back in. And we want to pull this back up towards the bottom of the nose. Let's shift the mouth over towards the right side. So we're going to start with a bracket on the corner. And then from here, bend this in and then down. Now we're going to go back and draw the inside edge of the right brow. Starting in the middle, we're going to come down, round this out, go up, and we'll bend that out. Let's create an overlap. We're going to step back, curve the eye coming around and then in on top of the cheek. Let's layer the left brow in behind, starting from the bottom, coming around and up, bend that out towards the end. Now we're going to do another overlap, stepping in, round out the eye, and then in towards the nose. Let's add that thick brow, starting from the top of the eye, going around, in, and then down. Let's move over towards the right side, add a fold, going up and then out. Now our character is going to be looking over towards the left side. So on the right up here, we're going to draw a half oval, coming down, just pull that up toward the top. Now on the inside of the left eye, we're going to come down and then up underneath. And we'll trace that along the inside and then fill that in black. Directly above the right brow, we're going to draw on the ear. We're going to start with a curve, coming across and then down. From the ends, bend this up and then in towards the center point of the ear. Let's trace that along the sides, going up, around the ear, and then come down the right. Now on top of the left brow, we're going to draw on that first spike. We're going to go up, go across, and then bend that up towards the top point. Go around the outside and then back in. Now I want to tuck the left ear in behind the head. So I'm going to start out here, I'm going to go out and then up, round out the tip of the ear, come down and then in. Let's add two more spikes. We're going to step in to create an overlap, going out and then up, come around the outside and then bend that in. Let's add one more spike. We're going to step in, curve around, and then up. And I want to come down the bottom, round up the spike, and then pull it in underneath the cheek. Now the arm is going to start just underneath the cheek and come around towards a larger fist. Let's start with the fist first. Starting right here, we're going to start with a bracket, coming down and then out. Let's layer the first finger in behind. So in the middle, going up, round up the knuckle, and then come down. And move over, draw another knuckle, going up and then down. See that one more time, going around. Now I'm going to go around the outside of the hand and pull that in. Let's add in the thumb, going up across the knuckles and just tuck that down in behind. Now I'm going to add the cuff in behind, starting up here, go around, down, and then in behind the hand. Now we're going to go back up underneath the cheek. We're going to draw the arm. We're going to bend this out. Just tuck that in behind the cuff. Let's go back up to the top. Just going to round up the shoulder. Follow that same curve of the arm coming down in behind the cuff. Now underneath the arm, we're going to draw the back. We're going to go around, round this out, come across, and then back down towards the base of the leg. Let's round up the leg, coming down and up. Bend the leg, coming back up, and then out towards the hip. Let's go back up underneath the head. We're going to bend the body, coming down, and then out, and then back down towards the hip. Let's add that patch in the center of the body, starting underneath the head, come around, round this out, and just pull that up towards the side of the body. Let's add that folded cuff, starting from the left side, come around, and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to add a fold by stepping out, around the bottom of the cuff and then back up. From the right side, we're going to draw the back of the heel, coming down, round up the foot, and then pull that up. Let's curve the foot, going up and then in behind the cuff. And I want to add a thick sole. I'm just going to follow that same curve from toe to heel. Let's add that buckle across the bottom. I'm going to go up along the side, round at the corners, go across and then down. And I'll trace that buckle along the inside. Let's add that stripe. On the top right, bend this up and then in, step over toward the left, draw another curve. Let's bend the left leg. Starting from the hip, we're going to go out, round up the knee, and then come back in, round up the bottom of the leg. I'm just going to follow that curve going around and just tuck that in behind the leg. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add that fold across the top, and draw the bottom of the cuff, just tuck that in behind. On the left side, let's draw the foot, going out and then down. I'm going to add that stripe across the top of the back foot. Now let's go back up to the right side. We're going to add the tail, going out and up, and then pull that back in. Now let's draw that left arm, starting underneath the chin, then the arm coming down and out, round out the arm, and just pull that back in towards the body. And then we're going to add that cuff, starting from the top, we go around, down, and then up in behind. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw on the thumb, go up, bend the thumb coming down, round out the thumb, and then pull that back up. Let's add a fold for the palm. Now let's go to the bottom of the cuff. We're going to draw the finger coming down. Just going to wrap this around and then bend that back out. Let's add 2 more fingers, tucking this in behind the thumb, and we'll close off the inside. Let's do that one more time, going in behind the thumb. Now let's finish off by adding that 1 spike across the back. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Super Sonic from Sonic the Hedgehog. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.